Hair loss and thinning hair are common concerns for both men and women. Losing a certain amount of hair daily is normal, but when you start noticing excessive hair on your pillow or in your fingers, it can be distressing. Today, I'm here to share 4 effective ways to take care of your hair and transform thin strands into luscious locks. Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our helpful tips. Now, let's dive into our first method. Method 1. Homemade hair packs. Are you tired of hair fall problems? Homemade packs can be your ultimate solution. They're natural, chemical-free, and highly effective in improving hair texture and strength. Let's start with our first pack, the avocado and banana hair pack. Avocado is rich in vitamin E, while bananas are packed with potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Together, they prevent hair breakage and promote growth. Here's how to make it. Take a ripe avocado and a small banana. Mash them well and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it into a paste and massage it onto your scalp, covering both the roots and tips. After 30-40 minutes, rinse your hair with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Another incredible pack is the amla, shiitake, and coconut oil pack. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, while shiitake strengthens roots and coconut oil nourishes follicles. Here's how to prepare it. Mix a tablespoon of amla powder and shiitake powder with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Heat the mixture, strain it, and let it cool to lukewarm. Massage it into your scalp, leave it for an hour, and wash it off with mild shampoo. Method 2. Best oils for hair health. A warm oil massage is an age-old tradition that improves blood circulation and stimulates hair growth. Bringraj oil is a wonderful option. Its relaxing effect helps reduce stress, a common cause of hair loss. Warm the bringraj oil and gently massage it into your scalp for 15 minutes in circular motions. Leave it in your hair for 30 minutes or overnight, then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Method 3. Nutritious concoction for hair fall reduction. Your diet plays a crucial role in hair health. Try this nutritious concoction to strengthen your hair from within. It's packed with essential nutrients. Blend boiled beetroot, carrot, apples, cucumber, and ginger to create a thick juice. Drink it twice a week to provide your hair with the necessary nutrients. Method 4. Yoga asanas for hair growth. Practicing yoga asanas can work wonders for your hair growth journey. Forward bending and inversion asanas enhance blood circulation in the head, nourishing and strengthening hair follicles. Regular practice of asanas like uttanasana and sarvangasana can even prevent premature graying. Incorporate these asanas into your routine for best results. Remember, it's not just external care that matters. Managing stress is crucial for healthy hair. Embrace a positive and stress-free lifestyle to enjoy vibrant, strong hair. Don't worry about hair fall, new growth will come. Just take charge of your hair care routine and prioritize self-care. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and be happy. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, leave them in the comments below. And remember, a little love and care go a long way in maintaining those beautiful locks. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Stay beautiful and confident. Until next time, bye.